Y'all, for some shoe shows, for a few shows, I'm gonna be concentrating, taking advantage of my air fryer. So I am making an air fryer Banana-Nutella egg roll. And I have sliced my banana in half. And then I've sliced it in half one more time. And so that will render us 8 bananas for our egg roll. Now you'll want to place this corner, you want it pointing at you, and you want to just dampen the corners so that it would seal. And you need to put about a half an ounce of Nutella. And then we're just gonna tightly roll this up. Now I'm gonna fold the left end up. And now I'm going to fold the right end over. And I'm going to continue to roll very tightly. Yum. You know what? I think grandchildren will love this. I'm going to put a little bit more water on those edges. And I'm going to put them right over here. And then, those are some good licking fingers, aren't they? And then I'm going to spray it, and I'm going to put them in our air fryer and brown them. Yum. I got to wash my hands first, though, y'all. I'm just going to do 4. And it doesn't take but a minute for these to start drying out. So if you have them out on a plate, you'll want to cover them with a damp paper towel because once they start drying out, they're hard to get to move for you. So just be mindful of that. You can hear it. It sounds pure different because that was the corner that was revealed. I'm going to spread this one out a little bit. Just a little bit. And I'll see which way I like it best. All right, now this banana broke, but it won't matter one iota. There we go. Snuggly wuggly. There we go. Yum. These are going to be so good. And I think it's fairly healthy for the children. It's certainly better than a great big piece of chocolate cake, right? Or one of those cupcakes over there. So I'm just going to spray this because that will help it to brown. And I'm going to roll them over. And we're going to put them in the air fryer. So like I said, just make sure these don't sit out and dry out on you, okay? Okie doke, here we go. And I love, they have come out with these liners, these parchment paper liners. And I'm telling you what, it sure does make cleanup a lot easier. Okay, I've set it at 400 for 10 minutes. And at the end of 5 minutes, I'll flip them over so that they can get brown all over. And I'm excited. Okie dokie. They're ready. I'm going to dust them with some powdered sugar. Just a little. And then I'm going to try to drizzle. I put this in the microwave and didn't want to do so good. So how about if I just do a little like this? Part of the Nutella got
the Dunkin' sauce.
Yeah, that's right. Eddie said use it as a dunking sauce. And I think he might be on to something because it's hard to get melted chocolate just right because after a certain point it will harden. You can heat it so much that it's hardening. It'll turn into like a candy bar, which that's not too bad either. Okay, a little bit more. Wow. See where it turned hard? Chop up some nuts and put in that and call it fudge. It is so good. All right. Which is the ugliest one? That's the one I'm going to bite off of. And none of them are ugly. Hear that crunch? I think your children really might enjoy this, and especially if they can help. So love and best dishes, y'all. Yes, it's so smooth. Smooth as silk. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.